Hey everyone, welcome to Minds and Megabytes. In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate realistic or animated videos using a free AI text-to-video generator tool called Luma AI. The link is provided in the description below. Search for Luma AI Dream Machine. You can generate these types of videos using this tool. Click Try Now and sign in using your Gmail. First, I generate a prompt using Kling AI, Opus, and then paste the prompt into Luma AI's Dream Machine. My prompt is now in the queue and is being generated at this moment. It will take around 2 minutes to complete. In the meantime, I will show you some of my previous videos that I generated using this tool. You can also include an image along with a prompt. To save the video, right-click and select Save As. You can generate 30 videos per month and 10 videos per day without a paid plan. To extend your free use, you can use multiple Gmail accounts. However, for commercial use you need a paid plan. Luma AI is also hiring for various positions, so you can apply if you are eligible or try your luck. Before continuing with Luma AI, I want to show you another tool called Kling AI, developed in China, which is more advanced than OpenAI Sora. It can generate videos up to 2 minutes long, and you can see some examples here. However, it is available only in China. So far, Kling AI is the most advanced tool for generating videos from text. Our second video is still in progress. While we wait, let's explore the Dream Machine a bit more. Wow, this user has more than 500,000 followers on Instagram by generating AI art. These are the videos generated by other users. Their Instagram or Twitter profiles are listed here. It seems our second video is ready to watch. However, this page appears to be buggy, as the video is not fully displayed. We will save the video on my PC and run it using VLC. I saved them in MP4 format. Even though the two prompts are virtually the same, with the only difference being one set in a city and the other in a forest, the second one is not in Pixar style but rather cartoony. Additionally, the videos are generated without any audio. Thank you for watching. If you watched till the end, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on artificial intelligence.